see our design as being now, something we can tweak and we should tweak as a community, but this is as close to what I think we have. So the basic list of papers and proceedings should be as we have now, excuse me, except that you come a little bit lower in the view. We have to decide a little bit more on exactly what will be visible, but it will be a column. What we need to do is the elements in the space need a little bit of work, which we'll have to think of. You should be able to, as you can in Author for maps, choose, excuse me, the map in Author, choose these by category or not, or manual, move them around, and when you select them, they will then highlight specific papers based on their criteria. This we haven't really gone into detail, but I think this will be very, very important. And of course, the actions we need to have on here need to fit the use case extremely well. So on our hand menu, a key thing we need to be able to have here is, of course, annotations, including hidden. To get rid of things we don't want to read, to have them available later is really, really important. Once we have opened the document and we're in the reading view, we have something very simple like this. There is a scroll bar indicator on the right, simple bar on the bottom, nothing else. And you can see more of the details here. The triangle bottom right, you can touch to go up and down to change the vertical size of the document. And then if you touch the scroll bar, you get, or mouse over, you get the table of contents on the right, so you can jump around the document. Ideally, this will be something that'll be right or left side, depending on the handedness of the user. I hope we have time to fix that, to deal with that. And then if you point to the bottom bar, you get these kind of grab handles, something like this, to indicate that this is where you hold it from. We don't do the Vision OS where it's separate floating underneath, because that's actually kind of intrusive, I think, in this environment. So I think we can do something more elegant. Whether it looks like this or similar, I don't know. And then when we go into the references view, by clicking on references at the bottom, maybe we have a hand command as well, I don't know. We have something that is quite similar to the proceedings view. So we have to decide how we're going to deal with the, excuse me, how these look similarly, and same kind of logic. However, you also have this, you select one and then instantly you get all the citations listed on the side, so we can do citation mapping. If it is a older proceedings you're looking at, there may very well be something coming out on the right hand side. This is the stuff that Mark and Adam have been working on. And of course you should be able to touch any of the elements to see which of the references in this paper are appropriate. So I think that's pretty much it. We have to really look at the details, but please tell me what you think so far.